Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport dashboard freezes issue and outlines situations where the instrument cluster or digital display may become unresponsive, lag, restart, or temporarily stop updating information while driving or during startup. Dashboard behavior in the EcoSport can vary by model year, display type, software version, mileage, and electrical system condition, and this issue may not apply to every vehicle. In reviewed technical information for the EcoSport, dashboard freezing can occur when the instrument cluster or related control modules do not process or display data as intended. This may present as a frozen speed readout, delayed warning indicators, unresponsive touch or button inputs where equipped, or a display that recovers after restarting the vehicle. Potential contributing factors that are commonly associated with this issue include software or firmware stability characteristics within the instrument cluster, temporary communication interruptions between control modules, electrical voltage fluctuations, or aging connectors and wiring related to the dashboard system. In some cases, startup conditions, temperature changes, or system initialization timing may influence display responsiveness. These factors are not universal and can vary across EcoSport configurations and model years. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve checking for available software updates, inspecting electrical connections related to the instrument cluster, verifying battery and charging system stability, and scanning the vehicle for communication-related fault codes. These steps are general guidance and do not guarantee resolution for every EcoSport. In summary, a freezing dashboard in the Ford EcoSport is often related to software behavior, communication timing, or electrical factors, and accurate diagnosis depends on the specific vehicle configuration and service history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.